Dear students, in the last class we learned one or injective function, onto or surjective function, and one and onto or bijective function. We will do some problems now. Then we will learn composition of function and invertible function. Composition of function and invertible function. So we'll go to the problem first. Let A equal to R minus 3 and B equal to R minus 1. Consider the function f from A to B defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Is f11 and onto. We are given two sets and there is a function defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, and we have to check whether this function is 1 and onto. So let's check first 1. What is the condition for a function to be 1? We will learn it. A function to be 1, the condition is f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2 for every x1 x2 belongs to the set capital X. So first we will take f of x1 equal to f of x2, then we will prove x1 equal to x2. If x1 equal to x2, then it is 1. We'll go to the problem. What is our function? F of x is x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. So f of x1 will be x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3. What is the condition? If f of x1 equal to f of x2. So f of x2 is this, x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. From this we will prove that x1 equal to x2. If x1 equal to x2, then the given function is 1. So just cross multiply this, x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3. x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to, cross multiply, x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. That will be x1 into x2 is x1 x2. Then x1 into minus 3, it is minus 3x1, again minus 2 into x2, which is minus 2x2, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. This is equal to, multiply here, x1 into x2, x1 into minus 2, minus 2x1, then minus 3 into x2, minus 3x2, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6. Now there is 6 here, cancelled. Then x1 x2 here, x1 x2 here. So what is the remaining? Minus 3x1 minus 2x2, minus 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to, here minus 2x1 minus 3x2, minus 2x1 minus 3x2. So minus 3x1, get the x1 term here. So minus 3x1 plus 2x1 is equal to, here minus 3x2 plus this minus 2x2 become plus 2x2. Minus 3x1 plus 2x1 is minus x1, and right side minus 3x2 plus 2x2 is minus x2. Minus x1 equal to minus x2. So we get x1 equal to x2. So the given function is 1. F of x equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. What is the condition for onto? A function to be onto, for every element y belongs to set y, there exists an element x belongs to set x such that f of x equal to y. We will try to solve the problem, then we will understand it clearly. Let f of x equal to y. the given function equal to y. So y equal to this function x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Here it is given that x minus 3 where x belongs to R minus set 3. Why it is? Because if 3 is included here, this function is not defined, this becomes 0. That is why they omitted 3 from the real numbers, R minus 3. So y equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. So cross multiply, y into x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Y into x is xy, y into minus 3 is minus 3y, which is equal to x minus 2. Now take the x part, xy, take this x here, minus x is equal to minus 3y become plus 3y minus 2. Take x common from here, x into y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2. Therefore, x equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. It is given that y belongs to R minus 1. Why? Because if y equal to 1, this function, this will be 0, this function is not defined. That is the reason y belongs to real numbers, but 1 is omitted, R minus 1. The next step is checking y equal to f of x. So what will be f of x? F of x equal to f of, we got x in terms of y, 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. So f of 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. Now what is this? Check here, x minus 2 by x minus 3, f of x. So f of this part will be, instead of x, 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1 minus 2 whole divided by, again 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1 minus 3. So we got this. Now take the LCM, 3y minus 2, multiply this LCM, 2 into 3y minus 2 minus 2 into y minus 1 divided by the LCM y minus 1 whole divided by, here also 3y minus 2 minus 3 into y minus 1 whole divided by y minus 1. Now the denominator here y minus 1, here also y minus 1, cancel it. So we got 3y minus 2 minus 2 into y, it is minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 1, which is plus 2 whole divided by 3y minus 2 minus 3 into y minus 3y minus 3 into minus 1, which is plus 3. Now minus 2 plus 2 gone, 3y minus 2y, which is y divided by 3y minus 3y gone, minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1. So y divided by 1. So we got y, f of x equal to y. So we proved that for every element y belongs to y, there exists an element x belongs to x such that f of x equal to y. We proved it. So this is an onto function. So we proved this problem. We proved that the given function is 1, 1 and onto. That is a bijective function. Next question. Let a and b be sets. Show that the function from a cross b to b cross a, it is cross product, such that f of ab, f of ordered pair ab is equal to ba is a bijective function. We have to prove that this given function is a bijective. So we have to prove it is 1, 1 and onto. So first we will prove 1, 1. What is the condition? A function to be 1, 1, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2 for every x1, x2 belongs to capital X. So it is given f of x equal to f of ab, What is f of ab? F of ab equal to ba. So f of x1 will be, if f of x equal to ba, f of x1 is equal to b1 a1 and f of x2 is equal to b2 a2. F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies b1 a1 equal to b2 a2. This ordered pair b1 a1 is equal to b2 a2. That means b1 equal to b2 and a1 equal to a2. b1 equal to b2 and a1 equal to a2. That means x1 equal to x2. So this is a 1-1 function. Now we'll check on to. It is given that f of ab equal to ba. That means f of x that is y equal to ba, and each b, for all b belongs to b and for all a belongs to capital A, the set capital A. Every b comma a belongs to the cross product b cross a. That means there exists ab belongs to a cross b, such that f of x equal to y. This was our condition. F of x equal to y. Since there are two cross products, a cross b and b cross a. For all a belongs to a and b belongs to b. So our condition is satisfied. So f is onto. So this function is 1-1 and onto. So it is a bijective function. Let f be a function from a to b. F from a to b. And g be a function from b to c. G a function from b to c. Then composition of f and g denoted by g composition f or GOF is the function GOF is the function GOF from a to c given by g composition f of x or g o f of x is equal to g of f of x for every x belongs to set A. See, this is set A. This is an element of set A. The corresponding image of x in set B will be f of x. So this is the mapping A to B. F is the mapping. F is the function defined from A to B. And G is a function from B to C. So here each element here there will be a corresponding image. So if this is f of x, G of f of x will be the image of f of x. So the combined, the composition means combining. So the composition of the function. So composition of f and g is f composition g composition f from A to C, which is equal to g of f of x. G of f of x. This is the definition. We will do problems, then we will understand it more clearly. Let's do some problems now. Let f from 134 to 125 is a function and g be another function from set 125 to 13 be given by f equal to, the f is defined as f equal to 1 2 3 5 4 1, f equal to 1 2 3 5 4 1 and g equal to 1 3 2 3 5 1. Write down g of f. G composition f. We have to list g of f. So according to our definition, what is g composition f? G composition f is equal to g of f of x. So we will find now first f of x. What is f of x? Take the function here, f of 1 equal to 2, f of 1 equal to 2, f of 3 equal to 5, f of 4 equal to 1. So we got f of x. Now we'll find g of x. What is g of x from the mapping? G of 1 equal to 3, g of 1 equal to 3, g of 2 equal to 3, g of 5 equal to 1. Now g of f of x, g of the first one f of 1, g of f of 1 is equal to g of, what is f of 1? F of 1 is 2, g of 2, what is g of 2? G of 2 is 3. Now again, g of f of 3 is equal to, f of 3 is 5, so g of 5 equal to 1. Again, g of f of 4, g of f of 4 is equal to g of, what is f of 4? 1, g of 1. What is g of 1? G of 1 is 3. So we got 3, 1, 3. So what is g composition f? G composition f is 1, 3, then 3, 1, then 4, 3. 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. Next question. Find g of g composition f and f o g if f of x equals mod x and g of x equals mod 5x minus 2. So what is g of g composition f? G composition f is equal to g of f of x equal to g of mod x. What is g of x? G of x equal to mod 5x minus 2 equal to mod. Here instead of x we should replace this x by mod x. So mod of 5, here mod x, 5 mod x minus 2. So our answer is mod of 5 mod x minus 2, that is g of f. Now we have to find f of g. Now we have to find f o g, f composition g. F composition g is equal to f of g of x equal to f of, what is g of x? G of x is g of x equal to mod 5x minus 2. So f of mod 5x minus 2 equal to, what is f of x? F of x is mod x. So mod of, instead of x, this 5x minus 2, mod instead of x, this mod 5x minus 2. So mod of mod 5x minus 2, which is equal to mod 5x minus 2.